Ciao, my name's Ben and I'm one of two creators of Chapter 6. Today I'll just have a small walk around the city centre of Brescia, Italy, during the sunset. I'll be taking some street photos with this old 2007 Pentax Optio e30. Let's see what type of pictures this small digicam can take and how it handles for street photography. Overall, I don't mind this camera. It's nice because it's small and compact and easy to carry, it's very light and very discreet for my style of street photography, because I don't really like to... I like to be like the fly on the wall when I go for street photography. But it does have quite a few downsides. It's pretty old. The battery's not very good. The focusing is very slow, so you need patience with this camera. I need to almost predict a couple seconds before the scene comes to life. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below, and you can also follow us on Instagram at Chapter 6, or on my personal page Ben Lusci, or on Andrew's page Andrew Molchan. Thank you for watching and see you next week.